Hey guys, it's 7:42 in the morning here in Winnipeg, and outside temperature is only 3 degrees Celsius. So if you notice, I have a warning here on my instrument cluster saying that my tire pressure is low. So based on my screen, I need to add air on my front left tire. So now I am going to drive to the nearest gas station to put some air on my tire. So as you can see here, my tire pressure is very low on my front left tire. I only have 22 psi. Normal tire pressure on my car is 33 psi. So join me while I'm driving till I get to the gas station. So as you can see here, my tire pressure went up from 22 to 23 when I drove all the way down here. So that's good to know, and that means the tire has no hole. So I assume the tire pressure drops due to the cold weather. So now I'm pulling this hose and put some air on my tire. So let's see if that beep sound is accurate and gave me a correct tire pressure. So yeah, it's 33 psi, and that's the right tire pressure for this car. So there you go guys, I hope you got an idea on how to put on air when you have a low tire pressure. So if you have questions, just let me know in the comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.